Bryan Kohberger, a murder suspect from the University of Idaho, is being investigated in connection with a second home invasion. Bryan Kohberger, the alleged mass murderer, was reportedly the subject of an investigation in connection with an additional home invasion attack that took place in close proximity to the location where he is accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students. In an off-campus residence, in December 2022, the 29-year-old suspect was apprehended at his parents' Pennsylvania residence after 4 students were killed in a residence where 3 of them resided and a 4th was visiting overnight. Police suspect that Kohberger, who attended Washington State University in the vicinity, committed the homicides in Moscow, Idaho, and subsequently traveled cross-country with his father for the holidays. On his behalf, a plea of not guilty has been entered. ABC News reports that a year prior to the aforementioned killings, police were dispatched to a residence in Washington State, approximately 10 miles from Moscow. A woman claimed that she successfully defended herself against a masked intruder who was armed with a knife in her bedroom at approximately 3:30 a.m. according to body cam footage obtained by the outlet. She informed the police that the perpetrators entered her closet, fled, and proceeded to ascend the stairs. The victim's roommate contacted the police, who were unable to identify any suspects based on the available evidence. Approximately 2 weeks following the murders of Idaho students Kaylee Goncalves, Madison Mogan, Xana Kernadal, and Ethan Chapin, Kohberger was reportedly identified as a person of interest in the Washington case. Nevertheless, the Washington home invader was reported to be at least 7 inches shorter than Kohberger, who stands at 6 feet. ABC News reports that Kohberger was not yet enrolled at Washington State University at the time of the incident, despite the fact that Kohberger was seemingly disqualified as a suspect in the Washington case. An ABC News contributor believes that his defense team may exploit the incident to persuade jurors that their client is not the Idaho killer. Brian Buckmeyer, a legal analyst, is certain that Bryan Kohberger's defense team will attempt to establish reasonable doubt by identifying an alternative suspect in reliance on the alleged burglary.